safe and healthy. It is always said that a healthy mind dwells in a healthy body. Though it has become a necessity nowadays, it has been written in our Veds and Upanishads thousands of years ago. As per Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, it is written there that Sharir Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam means body is instrument of all good deeds. So, for doing good deeds and to keep ourselves healthy, today I will tell you some good healthy eating habits. Do you know what is the first thing that should go inside your stomach? Okay, let me help you. That should be water. Drink at least 1 to 2 glasses of lukewarm water in the morning. It will prevent many diseases and it will keep you healthy. Always have your meals on fixed timings. Try to have your breakfast between 8 to 10 am. Wash your hands properly before your meals and chew your food properly. Let your teeth do some work and reduce the burden on your stomach. Don't drink water in between your meals. Wait at least for 40 to 45. Do not watch TV in between your meals. And even avoid talking and reading during your meals. If you will concentrate on your meals, it will activate your salivary glands. After eating, sit down in Vajrasan like I am sitting right now. I hope that you will implement all these healthy habits in your life. Be safe and be healthy. Thank you.